In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to add a video in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your presentation to life with embedded video, whether it's from YouTube or your Google Drive. Start by opening Google Slides and loading the presentation where you want the video to appear. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you have access to the right files. Choose the slide that should contain the video or create a new slide if you want a clean space for it. At the top of the screen, click the Insert menu in the toolbar. From there, choose Video. This opens a window with your options for adding a video. You can search YouTube directly if you don't have a link handy. Type a keyword or the title of the video, then look through the results and preview to confirm you've got the right one. If you already have a YouTube link, switch to the Buy URL tab and paste it in. Slides will quickly pull in the video preview. If your video is saved in Drive, choose the Google Drive tab, then browse your files or use the search bar. A quick tip: if the video is in a shared drive or a folder someone else owns, make sure you have permission so it will play for your audience. Once you've found the video you want, click on it to highlight it and confirm the preview looks correct. Check the title and duration so you don't accidentally select the wrong one. Click Select to insert the video onto your slide. You'll see a video frame appear, which you can move and edit just like any other object in Slides. To resize, click the video and drag a corner handle so it scales proportionally and doesn't look stretched. Drag from the center to position it exactly where you want. Use the smart alignment guides that appear to help center it or line it up with your text and images. When it's time to present, go into present mode and move your mouse over the video. Click the play button to start. If you want the video to fill the display, click the full screen icon in the player controls. To exit full screen, press the escape key on your keyboard. You'll return to the slide exactly where you left off. And that's it. Your video is now embedded, making your Google Slides presentation more engaging and seamless. Before presenting live, it's a good idea to test playback and make sure your internet connection or drive permissions are all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.